Let's talk about something that's reshaping the entire content world right now, and that is AI. Everywhere you look, people are using AI to generate videos, write hooks, build newsletters. There are even AI influencers now, and I'm not here to hate on it at all. I use AI every single day in my content agency, but if your entire strategy is just to plug ideas into ChatGPT, that is going to fail. Today I'm breaking down how I use it within my content agency and how to build an entire content strategy that uses AI to scale, but it still feels real and it still feels human and still uniquely you. We're in what I call the AI copy and paste era. Everyone uses the same prompts, the same tone, same structure, the same 10 hooks that go viral. And because of that, audience is starting to tune out. Even the good content, overproduced, feels meh. Here's the truth, AI is a tool, not a strategy. The strategy is still you. Your story, your perspective, your unique voice, and your unique experiences. AI is here to support that, not replace it. Here's what I love using AI for: speeding up the development of ideas. When we're building out content for clients, AI helps us to break through those creative blocks. But in saying that, we never post the raw output of what ChatGPT gives us. Another great one is drafting content foundation. Give AI your thoughts, like dump your thoughts into AI, generate the foundations of that, and AI will clean it up and give you some clear-cut structure. But you still need to add the source. Another one we use it for is researching and rephrasing. We use AI to dig into topic, find keywords, or just reword things for different tones. And this stops us from wasting hours. And the last one is repurposing it at scale. AI is great for turning one video into a newsletter, a quote post, a script for TikTok. All we have to do is feed in a sort of personal voice, and it spits out multiple new formats. Think of it like having a junior admin, fast, forward thinking, but not the creative director. And now let's flip it. Here's what AI can't do and shouldn't do. Tell your story. It wasn't there when you quit your job. It was not there when you were in the car crying because you lost a client. It wasn't there when you took the risk to start your business. That was all you. And AI cannot build trust. People don't follow perfection, they follow humans. And that AI generated perfection, that's what turns people off. And the last one, it cannot create new thinking waves. AI is great at remixing old formats that went viral. But true thought leadership comes from you challenging the norm, challenging the status quo, and it's not regurgitating the average. You have to dig behind the truth of what made content blow up. And this is why our agency clients have so much success, is because we dig for the truth behind the content, not just content for content's sake. All right. Anyway, here's what you should do. Step 1, define your real voice. What makes you you? Are you witty? Are you funny? Can you tell a good story? Are you empathetic? Are you a little unfiltered, unhinged? Let that drive your prompts and your edit. Now, step number 2, create a system, not a calendar. Instead of planning every single post, build a bank of AI-assisted content ideas that you can pull on in real time and adapt to any sort of viral trend that is going around. And step 3, use AI to scale your message, not replace it. It's simple. Batch your raw thoughts, let AI clean them up. Then add your unique take on it before it goes live. Step 4, tell the story behind the story. Talk about what you're learning. Show behind the scenes, the moments that AI can't fake. And step 5, stay fluid and stay flexible. Use AI to help you move fast, but never stop evolving. What works now, I can tell you, will definitely not work in 6 months, in a week, or sometimes even a day. Stay curious. Here's my real take on it. In the new AI era that is coming, or some say it's already here, real is the new rare. Creators and the businesses who will win will combine AI speed with human authenticity. And remember, don't just make content, make connection. Scale you, not the algorithm.